All right, well, getting ready to go pick up the nuke from the apiary. No idea what to expect. Brought my bee suit, my smoker. I should probably grab some stuff for the smoker. I've got my bed ready. I assume I'm going to be able to put the box there. If it comes in a box, I assume it comes in a box. But I'll put that there, ratchet strap down, won't go anywhere. Throw the tonneau back, and hopefully won't lose many bees that way. So yeah, guess we'll see what happens. Well, the bee lady told me that I should actually keep them in the truck with me just due to the heat. It's probably, I don't know, 85, 90 today. So yeah, just kind of stuck them in the back there. New bees are getting out. Looks like it comes with a few frames inside of a nice plastic box, which I wasn't expecting. I was kind of thinking it was gonna be like a cardboard deal or whatever, but no. She hooked me up good. Bees are secure. Guess we're going home. All right, finally got the smoker going. Got my sugar wooder. All right, finally got my my nuke out here. Got the smoker going, and I'm just hitting the outside a little bit. There's already a couple that are starting to come out, so let's open this bad boy up and see what we got. So I got 5 frames in here. The smoke hit, so they're all diving down. It looks like the frames are stuck a little bit, and I have to go find my hive tool. I might be alright without it. So I'm pulling them out, and I want to make sure to orient them the exact same way that I'm pulling them out into the hive. I'm not going to look for the queen just yet. We're very gently going to stick each frame into the hive. And they are diligently working. This is a really good nuke. There's already honey in here, cap brood. Pull this around so I can show you guys. You can see they're diligently working on each of the cells. Alright, so pull this one out like here, so it goes in like this. I'm doing it very slowly, give them enough time to get out of the way. This one's not 100% drawn out yet. Actually, there's the queen. That was lucky. She is down in this corner. I don't want to remove my hands, but She's where all that activity is, right in the center there. You can see her thorax is longer than the rest of them. So let's hurry up and put this in here. That's a really full frame. That's a great frame right there. Very nice and slowly to let them get out of the way. What I don't want to do is cause a panic in the hive. Alright, so the top, I'm just going to slap on in here. Same with the bottom. Bottom's got quite a few. We're going to do the same. Just shake them on out. Alright, so the few stragglers, I'll just leave right out in the front of the hive. I'll put the limiter on the front. The reducer, so we don't get everyone absconding at once. I'll put the tray on top with the hole, and that's where I'm going to put my sugar water, my nectar that I made. The nectar is 1 part water, 1 part sugar, with some holes just nailed into the top. A little bit will come out, it'll create a vacuum, and that will be a lot of food for them. So let me get one of these other sheets, put that over top, just to kind of protect that, and then I'll put the cat, wherever I put it, on top of that. So I also have a feeder. If I stop losing everything, let's see. And in this feeder, I've already poured nectar into this little water bottle, screw it on top, and they actually make dog waters just like this. Turn it upside down. Actually, might have to take this limiter out. We'll see how deep this is. Nope, I don't. And that will just sit right up against the entrance of the hive. So I spilled a little bit, but I don't think they'll be too mad about that. Remember, the Hoover hive is coated with wax, so anything that I do spill, it's already hydrophobic. So it's not going to sit, that nectar isn't going to soak into the wood there. And here we go. You can see there's already some orientation flights going on. And that is the nuke installed into the Hoover hive.